Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Cambria. I make videos on everything beauty and a little bit of fashion too. So if that is something that you are interested in, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join the family. So I've been seeing these type of videos floating around the internet and I thought this would be really fun to do today since it's Valentine's Day. It probably won't be Valentine's Day when I upload this, but it's Valentine's Day today, so I wanted to do a 1-hour glam transformation. We will be doing something with my husband tonight, so I figured what better time to film this video. Definitely not sponsored by Mr. Incredible, but have this shirt. I've actually already moisturized. I moisturize as soon as I get out of the shower, and I am now going to go in with the e.l.f. Glow Up Primer. I'm actually really liking this product so far. It has this nice like shimmer to it, but it's not like overpowering. It's really, really nice. Then I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer, and I got this in the shade Fair Warm, which is way too light for me, so I'm applying it underneath my foundation. I typically apply mine on top of, but I'm going to be doing it underneath. Product a little bit goes such a long way. I learned that the hard way in my other video. Okay, just taking my beauty blender, we're gonna blend this all out. So now that I have this all covered, and yes, it's way too light, I ordered way too light, but it's been working as long as I put it underneath. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. I wear it in this in the shade Suede. Now that our skin looks somewhat normal again, I'm going to go in and give it a healthy contour. I am using the True Match Lumi Healthy Luminous Foundation, and this is in C7. I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. I'm going to take this brush here, and then I'm just going to map out where I'm going to contour. Now I'm going to go in and set my foundation with my True Match foundation from L'Oreal. Blush, I am using my BH Cosmetics palette, but Pro Blush palette. And I am going to use 2 shades out of this. I'm going to go in with this one and this one. Then I'm going to take a little bit of powder contour, and I'm going to go in with the NYX Pro Highlight Contour palette. And I'm going to use the first one in here. And I'm just going to define that contour that we did already. And I'm just going to make it a little bit more noticeable. Moving on to brows, and for brows I am using my LA Color Browie Wowie. If you guys are curious on how I fill in my brows, I just actually filmed a tutorial on that. I'll link it in the cards above so you can check it out. To eyes, and I am not going to go too crazy for eyes because I don't have that much time. It's already 23 minutes in. So I am going to just use a little bit of the e.l.f. Camo Concealer for my eyeshadow base. Rose Gold Sunset Palette.
Here I am just taking the lightest brown in the kit and I'm blending it into the crease. And then I'm switching over to the second to darkest brown and really just buffing that into the outer corner, making that C shape. And I have a video tutorial on how I do that, so I will link that.
Okay, you guys, I'm only doing 3, I don't know why I held up 2. I'm only doing 3 eyeshadows for my eyes because I'm trying to go super duper fast.
For the base of the lid, I am taking that champagne tone color.
Okay, so I did my liner off camera. Now I'm gonna go in and curl my lashes. We're still making decent time. It's 35 minutes in, so I feel like curling your lashes makes such a big difference. Like, even if you're not wearing any makeup at all, like a glamorous look, and we're short on time, I am using the Zara Maya lashes in Queen. I love these lashes. You guys seem to really like when I wear these ones, and I like them too. Okay guys, so while my lashes are setting, at least this one is still drying a little bit, I'm going to go in and touch up the liner that I did, and I'm using my Tarte Sex Kitten. I'm just going to go over the line. Move on to highlighter. For highlighter, I swear nothing is ever... Filming you guys is a hot mess. Jelly highlighter is what I'm using. Okay, so for lips, lip liner, I am using my BH Cosmetics lip waterproof liner in Petal. If you guys want an affordable lip liner that stays all day, get these. These are my favorite lip liners. Color, I'm going to be using Meet the Mattes from the Balm Cosmetics in Sincere. I'm going to take a little bit of the e.l.f. jelly highlighter, and we're just going to pop it in the middle of our lips. To set everything, I'm going in with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. For hair, you guys, I am taking the Rock Your Hair Dry Shampoo, and I'm just going to spray it in my roots. My TG Bedhead 1-inch curling wand. And I'm probably just going to speed through this one because it gets pretty repetitive, but I'm just going to take my hair and then wrap it around like this. Okay guys, so while I was getting dressed, I'm super excited. My beauty box from Walmart just came and arrived. Be opening that on my next video. I'll probably actually shoot that today as well. Okay you guys, so here is the completed look. I tried to film my outfit. It was I really wasn't able to because of the lighting by my big mirror. I need to get a vlogging cam, but anyway. I'll try to take some pictures to put it on my Instagram for you guys if you're interested in seeing. Go ahead and follow me at Beauty by Cam's Couture. That you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to subscribe. Follow me at Beauty by Cam's Couture on Instagram for the complete details on my outfit. And until next time, bye guys!